This semester, Orange Coast College Marine Science Department has partnered with Ocean Enhancement and Hatchery Program to bring us sea bass in the class.
This program allows students to grow white sea bass in their classroom and learn about aquaculture, learn about sustainability and responsibility for an ocean resource. Students will have these fish in their classroom for several months, taking care of them, feeding them, learning about daily water quality and just maintenance of these fish, what it takes for aquaculture. And then the animal fish are tagged and then they'll be released into the ocean. So they'll take part of this larger stock enhancement program that's been occurring again since the mid-1980s.
Our students are feeding them and cleaning their tank and taking care of them. That's a first. We've never done that before. We're going to be measuring and weighing them and putting a little barcode wire in their cheeks so they can be tracked over time. That's never happened before. And then when they get big enough, roughly about 12 inches, we're going to release them back into the ocean, and hopefully some of them will live and grow up to be big sea bass and have sea bass of their own. That's applied aquarium science. You know, we have tanks here that we maintain, and they're beautiful exhibits, but the animals basically stay there. Here we're putting something back, and that's really exciting.
This year I have the opportunity to work with Orange Coast College on a project that I started a couple of years ago in partnership with Hub SeaWorld Research Institute. And together we started bringing their program to restock white sea bass into the ocean. The El Nino event in 1998 was actually the last straw for our kelp forest. So in doing this project, I got literally thousands of students involved in growing the giant kelp in their classrooms and hundreds of volunteers to help me go out and plant it and monitor it. And over a period of 10 years, a small dedicated group of people was able to restore an ecosystem. Now that we've got the kelp forest restored, we're working on this white sea bass project because they also live and hunt in the kelp forest.
Professor Kelly, who introduced this special program to OCC, is retiring this year. Here's what he said about the legacy he hopes to leave behind.
The main thing that I, my colleague, Dr. Tom Garrison, my current colleague, Karen Baker, have tried to do over the years is always give students the opportunity to do hands-on marine biology. Not just lecture to them, not just have labs where they do prearranged lab exercises, but actually go out in the field and do research and find out how your findings are connected to findings in the past. So you might be able to figure out what does it mean into the future. So I hope if there's any legacy, we will keep doing that and more in the future. And it looks like that's what we're going to do.